All right, just got my my DeWalt 4.5-inch grinder from local hardware store yesterday. Made in the USA with global materials. Now, I think that's great. Means that it's assembled, I imagine, in the USA, and they get parts from all over the world because that's a good thing for America, because it means that the industry of toxins is actually somewhere else. So I noticed that it had extra wheels in it for holding parts, grinding parts. And I'm curious, made in USA, what is stamped on the nameplate? Okay, made in China. So apparently what is it? It was easier to upgrade the Made in USA sticker, which is a plastic decal put on the box, than it is to change the name plate on the tool. Okay, so that's how things are done. You know, you gotta move with it. Right. So then, curious what the box says, if anything. Okay, so they got that part right. Same old. I've obviously got DeWalt tools. My very first cordless was a DeWalt driver like this one. Okay, this one's Milwaukee. I'm happy with these. Had my previous Milwaukee rebuilt under warranty, 5-year warranty. So now let's get with the grinder and see what that does. Hold on.